Welcome back to SkillSage Pathways. Today, we delve into a pivotal realization. Yesterday's wins can be tomorrow's failures. It's about understanding that the path to continued success is paved with unpredictability, changes, and many challenges. Look back at your journey. The late nights, the relentless dedication, the milestones reached. It's impressive, isn't it? You've climbed mountains with the toolkit you've honed over the years, but ahead lies uncharted terrain, demanding more than what brought you here. This plateau you've reached, it's both a reward and a warning. It whispers, to venture further, you must grow anew. It's a call to arms, urging you to expand your arsenal, to rethink your strategies. And here lies the twist. Beyond this plateau is not just another mountain, but a peak higher than you've imagined. The journey there, it requires not just a step, but a leap into the unknown, armed with new skills, insights, and attitudes. Embracing the new means letting go of outdated notions of success and capability. It's about nurturing flexibility, cultivating resilience, and embracing a mindset that views change not as a threat, but as the very essence of growth. Making the leap might feel daunting. You're trading the comfort of now for the promise of what could be. But remember, every skill you need can be learned, every challenge can be overcome, and every new peak is within your reach. What got you here is a testament to your potential. What will get you there is your willingness to unleash that potential further. At SkillSage Pathways, we're here to guide you through this leap, to ensure that your next step is not into the void, but onto higher ground. So, are you ready to leave the plateau and reach new heights? Subscribe to SkillSage Pathways. Together, let's discover what lies beyond the horizon of what got you here, and embark on the journey to your next goal. See you in the next video.